JavaScript setter. JavaScript setter. So remember that point here, JavaScript set object contains any type of data that to unique is. It accepts only unique data is. Unique it will take. It does not have any duplicates like Java. In Java also we already covered. Okay, in Java we already covered the difference between list, set and what here? Map. Okay, 1 second guys, 1 second. So you can see here, when it comes to Java, you know, in Java we have a collections. Collections means list, set, map. So tell me, in Java also we covered a set. Set will not take duplicates. List will take duplicates. Map will take key and value, that is known as entry. Key and value is known as what? Entry. So same like what here, JavaScript set is also like that only. It will not take duplicates, only unique elements. But you can give any type of data. Integers means only integers. Strings means only strings, like that. Any type of data it will hold, but that too unique. So let me give you one simple example to you so that you can understand easily how JavaScript set is working. Script. So I'm taking variable s is equal to new set. Tell me which object I created? Set object. In this set object, I want to add the data. Add 5. Add 1. Same like Java only, na? Add, let's say 7. S dot add what here? 3. Something like that. But how to display, sir? Tell me what's the name it is? S. You can take what S dot for each. Here also we have for each. But here I can say function. What I'm taking? Value. Document dot write ln. What I'm printing? Value. So see this. Refresh. Coming or not coming data? Yes. And now you can see this. I'm adding the duplicate. What I've added? 1. So refresh. How many times 1 is repeating? Duplicates are not allowed. If you write also, it will not come in the word. But assume that tomorrow, if I want to declare 100 elements, add is good. No, I will remove this concept and I will write array here. 2, 7, 1, 9, 5, something like that. You see the beauty? So which one is better? Yes or no, tell me. You can give anything, sir. It's not mandatory. I want to give something called what here? HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, refresh. All it's coming. Understood my point here, no? But set will take only what here? Unique. Unique it will take. So like that we can go for what he has said here. So let me open one thing. I will show you immediately to you people how we are working. Yeah. So you can see here what I'm going to give you. A JavaScript set is a collection of what here? Unique values only. Can we take duplicates? No. Each value can only occur once in a set. Yes, it will occur only once. A set can hold any value of any data type. You want to give numbers, strings, decimals, your wish. Any data type. Okay, sir. And one more thing I want to give you about what here. So there is a one here. What is the method is there here? Values. What is coming? My iterator. So then here we will go for what here? Entry of this iterator. See this. Assume that I have HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap. So what I can do, S dot, what I'm using? Values. That is giving constants my iterator. You can take where also, let also, constant also. You decide what you want. So now we need to read the data from where? My iterator, one by one. One by one means what we should take? For variable entry of my iterator. Then you can say document dot write ln entry. So see this, refresh. Anyhow, wire constant, anything we can write. That is not important, I told now. So tell me, it is printing all the entry or not? I will take BR here. BR means what here? New line. So now the outputs will come in the what here? New lines. Understood? If you don't want to print directly, read one by one. How to read one by one? Values. Then we should use what here? One by one you need to take from iterator, you need to display that one. So this is what here? JavaScript setter. So JavaScript set object will take only unique elements. It will say it's a collection of unique elements, and it will not take any duplicates. It will hold only unique values. So that point we should remember. Understood everyone? JavaScript setter. Okay.